All right. For the past 48 hours, news will be a trendy in Ghana. Concerning Nsembia Muntaka etu Ghana say edi atuga. Me yesenka meka ho asem but anka mere yefi afi na makai so let me throw some small light on it. As you can see, or say foreign illegal miners and cyber fraudsters will be deported without trial, Interior Minister. Muntaka say foreign illegal miners and cyber fraudsters will be deported without trial. And these are the words of Interior Minister Muntaka Mubarak Mohammed. Share to the second slide. As was say, government has resolved not to waste time and resources prosecuting foreigners arrested for criminal activities in Ghana. Government is not interested in prosecution but will simply deport them. Interior Minister Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka, 7th April 2025. Mame Sankai Bimo say government has resolved not to waste time and resources prosecuting foreigners arrested for criminal activities in Ghana. Government is not interested in prosecution but will simply deport them. Interior Minister Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka. Muntaka, men say your record. What shall say kama men say no. Ingu when you say there be is too early to start playing the fool. Men shall see. Men say your record. They say it's too early to start talking rubbish. Because unless say there were different explanation to this, and yeah, sa dia wabra bontin be chichi muna Ghana for nantiase because we are making any mentiase dia nyansa ba ko say krani. Eye below the belt. Eye Nkwaseasɛm, eye jimisɛm wa nyansa ba ko mpu ni mu. Oh, pa kire Ghana for say China need to kwan every China eba Ghana. Ebe say yensuo ni ensase. The very backbone of Ghana. Na se mochi saa nipa na muni time wa mudi saa nipa no eko jina court ajeli no. Nia mubeka che saa nipa na ne say go back home to China. Now go back home to China and your punishment too because China no a far better than Ghana. Their roads, their economy, everything. China is over 500 years ahead of Ghana. Nya Ghana size ne China. Tuuche China ni wo Ghana. Na so ka China say onko fia enye punishment. Ye nko fia na se kofie no. Bibini nko na ehu ni say air punishment o. Bibini die essence wa jiminti otu kwan. Na se yesi onko fia na wo su because onimu say omo bra bia ni kuro mu nye. So go back home no. Bibini nko na ehu ni say air punishment. Broni ohun ni sa China ni so ohun ni sa. Entu che Ghana for say mechi China ni waba Ghana abese yenso ni ensa asia many time me dey sa China ni no ko gina court na emum ni ameya ne say go back home to your China nyansa ben o sa asem we ni amaka yi mi defendi a enye ye mi defendi a emfa because eye Nkwaseasɛm ye jimi kasa nyansa bianim na ne sa dia se mo che Ghana for nso a what are you going to do? Ghana for them more time to take them to court, prosecute them and jail them. But foreigners say the money time. Na se bi onyansa ni adwene between foreigner and Ghana ni. Omu hwan na senka empo ye chi ni say all say yenso ni ensase anko say ye jail no. After all, the Ghanaians who are mining, they are also shareholders in the lands and water bodies because they are all Ghanaians. And yensase ni yenso nyina Ghana for nyina dia. And after all, Ghana for na mining, they are also mining what belongs to them. Their share. Logically. But China for no, they have no share in Ghana. Ghana say and China for dia. Ghana so doesn't belong to Chinese. Na se China need to kwan ba Ghana be say mun so ni mun sase na se mo chi no. Na se nya mo kan say onko fie dia. Se bi onyansa then in simple terms, no more Ghana for say you are working so hard to make Ghana a hub for criminal activities, and you are telling Ghana for say you are not here to fight galamsey. This is the meaning, this is the impression. Niawo can watch Ghana for say Munye ready to fight galamsey because look, galamsey fighting in Rube Biao. Make us yen Sony and Sasi Guswa say. Minimum say more modern and so galamsey fighting is far from ending. We have a lot to do. Galamsey fight in Rube Biana Sene Oche Ghana for say. Se ho to kwan ba Ghana ebe ye boni bia na se mo china niamo kan say onko fie dia sebio mo pa che say foreigners can come in and do whatever they want and there will be no punishment. This is the meaning. Nyansa bia ni sa same way eye Jimmy kasa ye Nkwaseasɛm na we ka munti ase asɛm na wo kan ntimi nkwa America Ghana ni ntimi nkwa America nkosenso ni nsase America ban che no say go home they will jail you ye wa o sa be fie ye ba ne o say ma America be forever and ever. The same thing Ghana need to go China ekodi bonia, they will jail him. Now do you know the number of Ghanaians who are in Thailand jail? Do you know the number of Ghanaians who are in Chinese prison? Do you know the number of Ghanaians who are in Malaysian prison? There are so many prisons around the world. Go there, Ghana for gum, Nigeria for gum, Africa for gum, for petty crime. That's what Ghana for say. Obi to kwine, eba Ghana, eba sensu ni nsasia. Ni aye kache na nise kofie dia, na kofie punishment. Kofie punishment, na go back home, so no sebi you, adwini nyansa, is a punishment. Nkwaseasɛm say. Hey, Maza, Mobay. What Ghana for say you are committed to fighting galamsey and crime in Ghana. Nasa nwaba. Nasa what Ghana for say moche abone for Ghana. Yemfi Ghana mai no mu anya nia mobaya na say nia moya ne say sanko for ninko fie dia. Then automatically no moche Ghana for say munya committed to fighting in galamsey and crime. It is a mean to ukasa asem say nasa ya num nya wa me defend wa enye yie manim kra be gu ase. Ko we Nkwaseasɛm. My brain never made sense to me. Enti muka sebio semfun say na say ya no munyamua mean defend. I will support them to bash you because maka Nkwaseasɛm. We nko ade I'm being honest here. Se muka semfun say na say ya no munyamua me support ya no mo say omuni matem because we are kan ye nyansa ba kompu say nim. Na ochi Ghana ni ade Ghana ni akojina court. Na China ni ya otu kwan free China ba Ghana all say yenso ni ensase mo chi na say onko back to China. Nyansa be ni wum na ni say mo chi foreigner so say sebio waku Ghana ni ya. What are you going to do to him or her? Me be some say mo chi foreigner. Say waku Ghana ni ya. What are you going to do to him or her? Na sebio sebi ubu Ghana for. Because I would say foreigners can come to Ghana and do Ghanaians anything they want, and all you can do is to tell them to go back home there. Then automatically, Ghana for Ghana for Nyashi. This is the meaning and this is the impression. Nyansa baku say punim. Sabi. Ye no one is saying na me. Oba ye. What shall see kama ye buaba so. O the thinker no say. You closing it down. Me no ya adwen hwan what shall see kama we free him fan ebe Muntaka Mohammed we free him there be on asase we sebio nyansa be ne wom nyansa bi wo baka kire me nyansa be no asase we eye Jimmy kasa nyansa bi anim. This doesn't make sense. Se mu ko ni say de ne galamsey no ye nyai na Ghana fo na nyintum say aban bi ani hwa aye ready say ye fight galamsey. Say na mo se mo kone de ne let us tell Ghana for say galamsey no let us give up enye ye yen koso senso ni sase yen say epono kranka ho nyansa be ne wo na mo ba esan se sebio ye ni mu se mu ni mu nyansa nti e na yen no bi ye campaign ma mo kire se no mo de mo ba no you are coming to do things differently. Eti wo ba na se we na wo kan de ene me se we ko say mampani mahama ejina we so de pamo. I'm being honest here. We same way because Mampani Mahama ejina we so e de pam Muntaka free war because Muntaka nye ready say all fighting galamsey ni bonia e koso Ghana. Muntaka is going to make Ghana a hub for criminal activities in the whole world. This is the meaning and this is the impression that he's creating. Eti we ko say Mampani Mahama pamo one time. Now Mampani Mahama enya obia or ye committed say no yen fight boni yen fight galamsey enmo Ghana for ho ban yen so ni ensase yen fight boni enmo Ghana enso ni ensase ho ban but sasem ya wo kan die it will not solve any problem in Ghana. It will make matters worse. Me say mu say dia NPP benyamu NPP no eba opposition a omo ye masters. They know how to get you. Timusha se ka sansem fun say dia me say asem bi say me defendia emfa me defendia enye ye me defendia nyansa bia mbem because already no the foundation na kasa ye jimi. What are you saying? Asem na woken Ghana ni die ye jeli no foreigner onko back home onko fie but Ghana ni die ye mfa ni ko jina court eni na sem emfa ni ntum Oria sebio dabu baako aponche baako a ye nchi ntum China ni betimi asɛ ye nsuo ni ensase awia ye gold ye wia ni asatam gold no e de ahya ne bag mu sɛ onfa nkɔ fie nkodi de wa menuanom ye mfa ye ye feelings emotions nto nkyɛn na ye nwene sansem we ho nyansa bɛn ne wom sansem we nyansa bɛn pa ne wom Muntaka come back Muntaka come back and tell the people something. Brabonte tre Ghana for say no mankasa ye wankasa ye kra jaja wankasa ye kra aseme na wokan ya wankasa ye brabonte tre Ghana for say wankasa ye aseme na moke na ne pe ne wokan meaning say ne oral team find a way nyina say ne ni na be foolish kids because so on already cross off fight galam say ne nkofu ye wi Ghana for good ye say ne we bibia nko bibia and everything will be foolish kids. Aseme na okay. Oh, hey, let's be serious, massa. Let's be serious. Yes, say you support Munti na masha say Jimmy, Mujimi am say obi anka be mawo. Mujimi a NPP twamochi I will support them. Me cannot crash them. Mu asem say. What will be that? What be that? One kasa we. You are living in US and UK. What will be that? What China? What will be that? Kodi boni o China that hard here. Go and fool in UK and see what they will do to you. Come Malaysia, go and fool and see what they will do to you. What will be that? Nyansa bi was say we. And Jimmy Kasa say, some fool say, come back and tell the people something, massa. Don't let me descend on you people cry. Come back and make sense to the people. I said na okay. More yen so ni ensase ho ban. Ghanaians have given you the mandate. Don't come and give a tell Ghana for say chi or mo go back home. Man e sir. What it be we? More munya, more to kwine. What it be that? Muntaka, what to kwine that? What it be that? What is sebi? And some fool say be that. Yeah, monitor. We are monitoring you people 24/7. Ebe, they say abino. We are going to force you people to do the right thing. We will force you to make things right. Ena medemu ebesi midi edi chairman Freemind. Enjoy the rest of your time and I'll see you in my next video. Makram.